Alright, attempt 2 on my audio testing, and this is, well, frankly, my first time testing my audio, and this is just going to be a bit buggy, being in my first few videos. Fact of the matter is, I am not exactly new to YouTube, but I am new to uploading, so be kind, or I will have to send the Derp Army after you. No, I'm not kidding. We have an army. And no, you do not have a Hulk, so don't go there. uh, oh, and by the way, to all those who are fans of anime and or comics and anything in that matter, I applaud you, but if I hear anyone hating on bronies, or comics, or nerdy things in general, I will destroy your existence. And your children's existence. As a matter of fact, I'll just destroy your entire family line. And maybe not. I'm not quite sure on this yet. Probably, though. Peace, though. Peace the derp out. Peace the derp out.